Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and my trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as expected, as discussed on Saturday, that market would remain slow. Yes, market is slow right now because of less volume, less volatility in the market. Usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half, but today we also have a bank holiday, as a result of which the slowness in the market, the less volume, or this particular situation may continue during the US session as well. Whenever there is less volume in the market, always be careful, because either the market will remain very slow and silent, or market may show you unexpected spikes. So be careful. So let's talk about DXY, and if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Okay. So DXY, as expected, there is not much volume, as a result of which market is unable to recover properly. Right now standing at 102.28. Or in simple words, market is still unable to cross Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level during the European session. If market tries to continue the upside, then obviously the road will not be smooth, because overall the market is under the dominance of sellers. So the next resistance on DXY will be around 102.57 and 102.72. We had discussed already. So 102.72 seems to be a better resistance because of Fibonacci 50% retracement around this area, as well as previous low will also be acting as resistance here. But in this situation, 102.57 also seems to be a very good resistance in the market right now. Okay, and if market tries to go down, then there's a high chance that market may not show a big red candles like this, because right now market does not have volume. During the US session, if market shows some volatility, then that's a different chapter. But otherwise, in this type of market situation, when we don't have much volume, we don't get to see breakout and breakdowns. Not only in Euro USD, on other pairs, on other markets also, you need to be careful with breakout and breakdowns, because for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. If there is not much volume present in the market, then obviously there is a high chance of a false breakout. Now let's look at euro dollar. Euro USD is right now standing in the middle of the chart. As I have already told you on Saturday, that if you see market on the middle of the chart, then it is better to avoid. So if market comes down for some retracement during the day, then first of all we have some good level around 1.0918, which is the previous low, and 1.090910. This is the first support on the chart of euro dollar. FIBO 23.6% is not a very strong support level, but in this situation, when we can clearly see that there is not much volatility in the market, so we can expect that this support should work. So if market comes down and market takes support and bounces, we can definitely go for a buy on 1.0918, 1.0910 level. Right now I am doing the analysis on the 4-hour time frame for price rejection and hammer pattern or something like that. You don't need to watch the 4-hour time frame. You can simply use the 1-hour time frame or 15-minute time frame also. So this is the first level in front of us, and the second level, will be around 1.0880 to 1.0870. 1.0880 is the second support on the chart of Euro USD. Let's assume that market shows a big red candle during the European session. Then obviously this level will not work, isn't it? Then you should be focusing on this level here. Why this level here? Because you can see we have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, as well as previous price rejection around this area. So previous resistance will be working as support, as well as Fibonacci 38.2 is also present. And lastly, we have 1.0850. This is the last support, but I don't think so market will be heading towards 1.0850 in this situation, because market is not very volatile right now. There is not much volume, and overall the trend of the market is still very much towards the upside. So I am not expecting a deeper correction, a deeper retracement right now. Okay. And as we have already discussed in our previous video, that 1.100 seems to be the best resistance on Euro USD. If the upside continues also, then yes, market will face some selling pressure around 1.100. We have already discussed, I have already shown you guys that around 1.100 we have previous price rejection, as well as previous support will be acting as resistance. And lastly, we also have Fibonacci 78.6% retracement around this area. All these factors make 1.100 a very lucrative selling position. If market reverses from there, we can look for a sell as well. Now let's look at chart prime and the trading strategy that you can use on Euro USD for the day. Those who don't know about chart prime is a very powerful tool now right now rocking the trading world. They have three powerful indicators: Market Oracle Pro, Market Dynamics Pro, Prime Oscillator Pro. Okay. So today we should be using the Prime Oscillator Pro only, because in this situation the oscillator will do a fine job. So right now we can see the market is standing on the middle of the chart here. I am on the hourly time frame. So the oscillator not only tells you the oversold and overbought levels, but it also tells you or marks you the reversal levels as well. So whenever you get a sell sign from the oscillator, then you can obviously go for a sell. If you get an arrow like this at the bottom, then obviously you can go for a buy. So the chart prime not only gives you buy and sell signals on live market, but the useful and powerful tools also helps you with your analysis. Okay, so during the day, if the oscillator gives us a buy or sell signal, then watch the market or where the price is. The lines on the middle of the chart are the dynamic support resistances. For example, if you see that you are getting a buy sign, from the oscillator, just watch the price. If you see that at the same time price is standing at the support here, at the dynamic support or at the market reactor, so if you find price in any of these levels, then obviously you can go for a buy. As I'm on the 1 hour time frame, and in this present situation you can expect a move of 25 to 30 pips. Similarly, if you get a sell sign from the oscillator, or if you get any divergence also, yes, the oscillator also marks the divergence for you. If it shows the divergence, then watch the market, watch the price. If you see the market is standing around this level here, or at the resistance here, or the dynamic resistance, then you get a double confirmation that yes, it is right time to click on the sell button. This is just the one strategy that we can use on Euro USD today. If you want to know more about strategies, then simply go to the chart primes tutorial section on their website. You will see a lot of strategies that you can follow. Okay, and with their awesome tools, you can do a lot of things. You can analyze the market in an excellent manner. They also have a community on Discord you can join to know more about a chart prime. Right now chart prime is giving a 30% off. Feel free to check out chart prime. You can scan the QR code on the screen, or you can also check out the link in the description. So if you really want to take your trading to the next level, you can definitely check out chart prime. Anyways, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. No trader, no tool is 100% accurate. So yes, managing the risk is very important. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.